In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your first Python script and how you can run it on your computer from a terminal. My name is Chenrui. Welcome to another Python short video tutorial. Let's get started. So far in previous video, we have learned how to use Python shell and how to use the Python built-in function print to display a single value or multiple values on the screen. If you haven't checked out those two videos yet, please do so that you have enough knowledge to understand all the contents that we go over in this video. If you already watched, then you are good to go. A Python script is basically a file that contains a bunch of Python codes. So when we run it, all the codes inside the file will be run line by line. So to create a new Python script, we have to create a new file in a folder. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a new document. I'm gonna use an empty document. I'm gonna name it print hello world. .py. As you can tell from the file name that I picked up, that I'm gonna use this Python script to print hello world text on the screen, because that's the only thing we have learned in Python. And one thing you have to make sure is that you use the .py extension for this Python script so that we know it is a Python script. Inside operating system, it will also help the operating system to identify whether it is a Python script. So now I have this new file. I can double click it and go into a text editor. And here I can type in a Python code, which I'm gonna use the print function. Since that's the only thing we have learned in Python, I'm gonna use that function to print the text hello world. Now I have this Python code typing, so I'm done. I'm gonna save this file and then close the text editor. As you can see, the file icon has changed. That means the operating system is actually recognized this file as a Python script. So that's good. So now we are good to go and we are able to run it in a terminal. Now, if you are following me, you can open a terminal and go into the same folder that your new Python script just created in. So I already have my terminal open at here. And right now in the terminal, I'm inside the Python examples directory, which is the same directory that I just created my Python script. That's very important. Otherwise, you might have some trouble to follow me or understand what I'm doing right now. So I'm inside the same directory that my Python script in. To double check that in my terminal, I just type in ls to list all the files in current directory. So as you can see, the print hello world.py is one of the files inside the current directory that I'm in terminal. So I'm good to go. To run this Python script, I need to type in Python, then space, following the Python script name, which is print hello world.py. And then once I hit enter, all the Python codes inside the file will be executed. And here I only have a single Python code, which is print hello world. So it only runs that single command, which are gonna display hello world text on the screen. So that's how you create a Python script and how you run it from a terminal. I try to make those videos very short so that once you're trying to learn Python, you don't need to spend a lot of time. But let me know if you think this kind of video is too short to explain everything very clearly so that I can adjust it. Alright, I think that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.